More Inozetek wrap coming in. What colors we got?
Gloss black. Tyler, what are you doing today?
I'm not working on your car.
Oh, yo, gloss black. One of the most simple colors, but it is done right.
Is that purple?
Oh yeah, that's sick.
So the reason why we're so excited about this is because gloss black is actually not an easy color. Not all gloss black is the same. Different brands have their own version, and what that means is the clarity, even the shade of the black, isn't always the same. Inozetek has the clearest films that we've seen when it comes to vinyl. Their films actually look like paint. For example, this is also gloss black. It doesn't look the same as this gloss black. I'm hoping you guys can tell, even from the camera, just from this quick glance, this is a lot darker and it's a lot clearer. Like the reflection is amazing. Whereas this, all the ripply texture, doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is, especially when you put it on an entire car. Honda, is this like Accord? We're actually gonna do this, I assume gloss black, and we're gonna be using the new Inozetek film on this. So I'm excited to see what that looks like. It looks better than paint. All right, so we wrapped this piece here. It used to be chrome, but we wrapped this in the Inozetek gloss black, and it looks really good. Like, this is paint, that's paint, that's paint. This is not, but as you can tell, it looks identical. There's no crazy orange peel like in like some of the other brands. It looks really good. And here's the chrome delete we just did. So window trims were chrome, and now they're satin black, so it matches well with the rubber piece down the bottom.
The last thing to do with this car is just paint the wheels gloss black and it's done.
Yeah, and then you'll have an all blacked out car.
$6,000 subsystem coming.